Welcome to VivifyScrum Quick Tips. The topic of this video is file sharing. VivifyScrum offers 50 megabytes of storage for free plan users and unlimited storage for your files with the premium plan. As you can see, any file can be uploaded directly from your computer to your tasks within a board, just like so. If you're more of a cloud storage person, we got you covered there too. VivifyScrum has integrations with Dropbox and Google Drive that simplify the way you access and share files. So, let's see how easy it is to link your Dropbox and Google Drive files to tasks in VivifyScrum. Open a task, go to the Files section, and click on the icons on the right. When you do this for the first time, you'll just have to authorize your account and give VivifyScrum the access to your cloud storage. Let's share an image from our Dropbox. And now we can also share a Google Sheet file. The files are now linked to your VivifyScrum task, and removing them is no fuss either. Stay tuned for more VivifyScrum tips right here.